Hi Tierra babes, I'm back with another video, back with another taste test, and today we are trying hot cheddar popcorn. It's called JR Snacks. It's from the TikTok shop, and we finna try it. Okay, but yes, we're finna try this, y'all. Let's go. Should you rip, should you pull? I'm gonna go with this. Be careful, cause it's plastic bag. Okay. Open. We're gonna let y'all see, of course. It smells like cheese and flaming. So, disclaimer, I'm not a popcorn fan. But this is my second bag out of 8. So, you know my review gonna be too good. And for real. Okay, gotta get a good one. You know. Here we go. Sorry if I'm smacking. But I give it for real. I give it a 7.5 out of 10. I feel like for me personally it could be a little more hotter. Like they pretty hot, but they could be a little bit more hotter for my liking. The cheese, you taste it. They definitely giving you some sauce though. They ain't playing with the sauce. Overall, I'll give it like a 7.5. It's my second bag, so they good. They good. The pack come with 3. We only got 2 left. Yeah, I miss y'all though. I've been slacking. Your girl been slacking. But a little secret. Once my equipment get here, I'm gonna work on dropping my freestyles way more often. And my goal is to do 25 videos on TikTok a month. So that's one of my goals. And it don't even gotta be more so music, but just putting that content out there. So yeah. But I ain't forgot about y'all. I love y'all down. This popcorn good. It is hot though, but I want it to be a little bit more hot because your girl like hot stuff. But that's enough for the morning. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook. And yeah, thank you guys. We out. Bye, Tierra babes.